Look at this, we are just 1 kilometer from Germany. Yes, Deutschland, Deutschland, ja. Deutschland, Deutschland, über alles. Schengen, right? We have Schengen. Just like that. We are still in Poland, okay? We are still in Poland. We have 500 meters to Germany. Yes, that's the border. That's it. Look at this. We are leaving Poland, okay? And yes, Germany, Deutschland. Yes, we are braking. Are we going to have a control? Or maybe it's going to be full Schengen experience? Probably not. What do we have here? Yeah, there is some kind of control. There is. Look how many trucks are going to Poland, yeah? Like, we have 522. So it means that 40 minutes later they are not going to drive in Poland, yeah, because there is a driving ban. But there isn't in Germany, so yeah. Yeah, there's a guy, there's a police, I guess. I think they are controlling. Okay. Yes, look. Polizei Kontrolle. Polizei. Okay. Okay, so there was just a guy, you know, and he wasn't stopping me, you know. He was like, just go, just drive, man, just go. Okay, okay. Welcome to Germany. Welcome, welcome. Willkommen in Deutschland, yeah? I think I remember correctly, but yeah, my German language is not so good, because even though I was living 4 years in Germany, it was a long time ago, yeah, and it is a hard language for me. Yeah. Autobahn. Yes, I hope that we are not going to have Stau. As you can see, whoa, German highway, right? I still have 150 kilometers to parking place, yes. This parking place is just behind Leipzig. Yeah, Leipzig. Lipsk. It is a good parking place because I can get there probably without taking a break, and I will drive almost 4 hours 30 minutes. Yeah, that's the plan. I still have 2 hours 20 minutes, right? for 150 kilometers, which is just enough. Do we have any kind of traffic? Yes, we have. Yes, we have. Something here, you know, like, okay, and something here, okay. Two of them, two traffic jams, okay. As you can see, we are getting a full package, yeah? A full package. German highway, German traffic jams, you know, Stau. And I was just passing roadworks, yeah, so roadworks as well, yeah. We are getting a full Deutsche package, yeah. As you can see, we have 100 kilometers to Erfurt and 386 to München. And we have some windmills, right? German windmills over the horizon. And we have 16 kilometers to our parking. And we have 46 minutes of driving time. Perfect, you know, everything is perfect. Yes. Maybe just temperature isn't perfect, yeah, because we have just 16 degrees. Come on, 16 degrees! Like, we have almost July, for God's sake. That's a nice Jeep, yeah. We have 6 kilometers to a different parking place, yes. Because I have really good driving time, I decided that I will push it, you know, I will just push it a bit more. Yeah, because, you know, I don't like to waste time, right? And if I'm not going to find a place at this parking spot, we are going to drive a bit more to a petrol station, yeah, because there will be a petrol station further away. As you can see, we have a parking place, right, which is very good. That's how it looks like. It is just next to the highway. A simple parking place. And there's a toilet, which is good, yeah, it's good. So yes, we have almost 9 p.m. Friday, which is good. 11 hours from now. Yeah, it's going to be like 8 a.m. tomorrow. We will start driving and we are going to drive just for like 3-4 hours, yeah, something like that. And then I will start 45 hours break in Germany, Deutschland. As you can see, I'm going to cook, yes, but I ran out of gas, you know, in Germany. We need a new one. Yeah, it's completely empty. Just like that. Boom! Another day, Saturday, 8 a.m. And we are ready to go. We are ready to go. Yeah. So let's go. Today we have a challenge to drive around 300 kilometers. I would really like to drive more than 300, yeah, without taking a break. 45 minutes. We want to get today to some Autohof, which is basically a paid parking place, yeah. I have found a nice Autohof just in front of München. And I want to get there, yeah, I want to get there. As you can see, we are cruising in Germany, right? Yeah, it's beautiful, you know, it is beautiful here. Wunderbar, wunderbar, yeah. Yes, windmills far away, and we have some hills, you know, trees, everything is green. It's beautiful, it's beautiful. Oh my god, look at this. Those are trailers, just trailers with some load. Oh my god. Like, how it is holding there? Like, I haven't seen any belts to secure it, you know? It's probably some kind of different system to mount it, you know, and to secure it. Oh my god, this view is beautiful. Oh my god. And here we have some trailers, just trailers. Okay, okay. Very interesting. You know what? I was stopping here. That's a different, let's say, petrol station with McDonald's, yeah. And I was like, yeah, I want some coffee, yeah. But unfortunately, like half of the screens where you can order, yeah, in McDonald's, they are just not working, and like there was a line to wait to order, yeah. And I shit you not, I'm not waiting in lines, okay? Not anymore. Like, no Balkans, no lines, yeah. I'm just not waiting. There's a lady, she was looking at me, very curious probably, why this guy is holding camera when he's driving, right? Das ist nicht gut. Yeah, and now we are trying to get out from here. Very interesting parking, yeah, very interesting. Interesting design, you know, like the lower part and the upper part, you know, and the restaurant is even more up, you know, in this building, big building there. And this building is basically going over the highway, you know, to the other side. So, very interesting design. I would like to see more of that kind of designs in different countries, you know. It is very nice because you can sit in a restaurant over the highway, you know, and you can just watch the traffic, yeah. It's just interesting, nice. Yeah. The next McDonald's we have 26 kilometers later, but I don't know if I will stop there. I bought myself Monster Energy, you know. Like I was like, I need some caffeine, you know, like any caffeine that I can get, yeah. Yeah, that's the building, you know, that is going over the highway. Just wait a minute, because we are probably going here. Yeah, we are going here. Yeah, that's the building. Very nice, very interesting. Prices are just savage, you know, savage. Oh my god. Yeah, people are there. Nice. I can tell you that I'm getting Austrian vibes from this highway, because it is going up and down, you know, constantly, like constantly. We are not able to like keep the one speed, yeah, because I'm slowing down uphill, and downhill I have to brake a lot, you know, like I'm not able to use the limiter here because we are very heavy, you know. I have to like brake with my foot, you know, and manually here. Yeah, it's just annoying, yeah, because I'm not able to chill out and to, I don't know, listen to some podcast or something, because I have to constantly watch my speed, yeah. Yeah, that's how it is. You will ask how many kilometers I have to the parking, yeah, where I will take my 45 hours break. Let me check. 147 kilometers, okay, 147, and we have 2 hours 22 minutes of driving time. Yeah, it's possible, yeah, like, look, like uphill we are going like 66, 65, sometimes even uphill I'm going like 45 or 50, yeah, because like, holy shit, you know. There is nothing what I can do about it. Oh my god, look at this! Look at this, we have Stau. Yes, we have traffic jam. And that's a horse. Oh my god, that's a horse. Yeah, what you can do? Nothing. I still have 50 kilometers. to my parking place for the next 45 hours. Yeah, the horse is looking at me like, he's like, why you are recording me? Why? Okay, anyway, yeah, it's 11:35 a.m. Yeah, I still have 1 hour of driving time, so it's okay. I should be able to get there, yeah, but you never know. Okay, so what is happening? Look at this, we have just 4 kilometers, yeah, and I have 19 minutes of driving time left. It is just perfect, yeah, it is just perfect. I just left the highway, and yeah, that's the area of this Autohof, yeah, of this parking. But we need to get to the places for trucks, yeah. They are just, you know, a bit further away. Oh yeah, we can see already here trucks parked, okay. At this time we should be able to find a place, yeah. Okay, so I have found this place, you know, I have a ticket and we can park. Okay, so I have parked, yeah, plenty of empty parking places, yeah, left. Nice, look, that's the ticket, yeah, something like that. And yeah, that's the area of this Autohof. I will put you the address right now on the screen, yeah. It's very big parking, and we have KFC, Burger King, some other restaurant, McDonald's, petrol station, with showers, with everything, you know. Let's see, for example, yeah, we have some shop here, maybe, but for sure here we have Edeka. Yeah, very big market, which is okay. Like, I can walk there, huh? Is it a walkable? Yeah, it's just 20 minutes. Okay. It would be nice to do some shopping, you know. And that's it, you know, that's it. I will have my break.